Hey, welcome. It makes me really happy to have the opportunity to share this loft with you. It became apparent to me that the space is not just decorative. Like everything that civilizes us, it's actually, on some level, an extension of art. The architecture that you find here is the architecture of religion synthesized with science. We don't think of these two disciplines as being something that you can put together. That tension becomes the motor behind a lot of the designing that's been done here in the space. I believe many of the objects that we live with today represent some of the highest human aspirations. We don't really require a chair to sit on. We could use a rock or a tree stump, as we once did. So it's fascinating to me that we have an inner need to create a chair, which in my mind is essentially a sculpture. One of the things that constantly is commented on when people are here is everyone will say, wow, this dramatically aggressive architecture and its language doesn't feel cold. We really did focus on creating a space that was practical and easy to live in and warm. It was very important to me that we had a dining room that was going to be inspiring to people and something that would invite some kind of awe and a sense of potential when people came together in terms of what we could do together. There was an artist named John Wigmore, and he built this whale, which is lighting the dining room. We've had many events here and dinners here as well, often dinner parties serving up to 35, 40 people. And I think it's been a place where people have really had a good time and felt very inspired. I think it's well known. People gather in the kitchen and there's an island and they sit around and have a drink. This is that, but multiplied in its effect. So how are you going to do kitchen cabinets in a place where you've built these stratas and floors that fall out of ceilings? This took more than 18 months to custom build this kitchen and its cabinets on site. It's a kitchen with amazing storage space. Amazing storage space. This room, like all the rooms in the loft, really honors living and loving. You have the spotlight effect over the bed, and then you've got a shower sauna. This bathroom area was designed like you're stepping into a diamond. You're literally stepping into a shiny cubist painting. You can see how much attention was paid to having good storage and being able to solve those problems before they became problems. I wanted to build something that would inspire. We've had a lot of fun here, and now it's time for somebody to come in and create their own creation and be their own artist.
If you can't get enough of these fabulous homes and designs, then you gotta like and subscribe, because we could all use a little more fabulous in our lives, right?